Now we have discussed about the prerequisite information of need for the process planning. So what are the information for? So first we have go to the process. So that is a assembly and component drawing and bill of materials to be recorded. That is a part list to be recorded. And similarly, what are the machines to be used and what are the equipment to be used? That is the detail should be recorded. And same time, what are the standard time for each operation? So having some of the different operation is there. So you have standardized time for the operation and detailed setup of each job for that is the setup the times to be required, and similarly the availability of machines and the equipment and tools. So this is some of the information for pre-requisite planning, and similarly that is a prerequisite of some effective planning to be used. So then some of that defined objectives. So what are the defined objective means? That is the objectives are like as a goal setting. So the objectives should be reachable and definable. If possible means that has a number of time, attach the numbers and the timelines and the resource of the objectives. So they ensure the sense of direction for the organization and facility of controls and coordination. So that is the objectives. So like as a goal settings. So that is the second one is the management operations. So the management operation means for the development of plans or collection of data or analyze the selection of right alternative is needed. So the management information system for the future of more successful companies. So it's the company that give us just the data and analysis to make us data driven the decision and make us a big of the company sectors. So next one is that top level initiatives. So it is that to make the planning for the effective organization on the top. This layer exists to ensure the company run like as well oiled machines. So in this situation, the workers of the top level management to visualize the chase some of the dream of the process, team leaders for the futures. Further, the top management should be a greater interest in planning throughout the organization. For example, a good manager is also that enable his or team members and manage themselves. If the team is self-run, then nothing like it. So the formation of planning committee and preparation of budget. It also have preparation of budget and it will be taking us. So next one is that is planning should be flexible. So what is flexible means? It's always going to the execution should be orientation to the event. So in case of changing the event, the alternate of the plans should be kept is ready for the changes. They should be have developed the setup with the setup. So next one is that is the resistance to changes. This also push back that when there is need to changes, but the examination of old gives what way they are new. Only we are giving a changes, we accept the exponential growth and change if necessary is accept or work with us. So which is the important of the management that ensure the smooth transmission to be the resistant changes. So next one is that is a careful premising. So in the planning premising is a important step. So the prerequisite for the determination of future settings. So in that future setting premises due to consider to be given as a various factor are based on the need of organization. So next one is the interrogation of a long-term or short-term plans. So both the long-term and short plan are prepared or integrated with achieve the objective of organization. They should be prepared and integrated to achieve the objective of organization, and perfect coordination between the two type of planning to be achieved. Then we say cost benefit analysis. So what is the cost benefit analysis means? That is a planner to undertake the cost benefit, ensure that benefit of planning are more than the cost involved in it. So then we say proper forecasting. So what is the proper forecasting? One of the most important steps in the planning for the forecasting of futures. So the management should be have the mechanism of forecasting changes in the environment which are influenced by the economic, social and political or interactional factors. So last one is dynamic factors. So the rigidity leaves no space of modification and growth, which is why high important for the manager to growth and fix while the working and flexible the environment. So this is some of the points to be as effective plannings for the prerequisite.